ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಕನಿಷ್ಠ 40,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದು ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ. ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಸೂರ್ಯಚಂದ್ರ ಇರೋದೆಷ್ಟು ಸತ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸತ್ಯ. Vijayendra is going to get more than 40,000 votes here, and the entire state will get absolute majority, and we are going to form the government. There is no doubt about it, and people's response is very good. Whenever I tour in the state, the response was very good. On that basis, I am telling you that we are going to get absolute majority and we are going to form the government.
Any message for voters?
That question does not arise when we are going to get absolute majority.
What will be the number, sir? Absolute majority decision.
More than 125 to 130 seats in the state we are going to win. Here about 40,000 margins. Vijayendra is going to win.
Sir, ಬಹುಮತ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಸರ್ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್? ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ
ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು, ಮೋದಿಯವರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು, ಬಸವರಾಜ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಅವರು ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸುತ್ತ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು 125-130 ಸೀಟ್ ಗೆಲ್ತೇವೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ಯಾರದೇ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ದೇನೆ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ 40,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದು ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ.
ಸರ್, ಮೋದಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರು, ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾಜಿಯವರು, ನಡ್ಡಾಜಿಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Congress was complaining about Prime Minister's video just ahead of the polling.
There no other go now because 100% they are sure they are going to lose the election. That's why these type of all nonsense they will speak. For that there is no respect for that words.
Karnataka elections also set the tone for 2024 parliament. Will this be a curtain raiser for 2024 elections?
As a parliamentary election, you know very well, we won about 25 seats. Next time also we are going to win about 25 seats, and Prime Minister is going to become the Prime Minister. We are going to support, and we will get more than seats that today is we are having.
Sir, this is the first time that BJP is going without you into the polls, without you contesting the polls.
Yes, I have decided long back not to contest for election, and I have also resigned for the Chief Ministership also. That is my own decision. Even then, people are giving respect like anything, and I am 100% sure that they are going to support us for next Lok Sabha election also. I vote this assembly.
Also, this is Mr. Vijendra's maiden election, sir. What will you have to say about that as a father?
We will speak to you.
Sir, just in case there is a number that falls short,
what is going to be the winning factor for BJP in this election? What is going to be the winning factor you think will be for BJP?
Because of Modi ji's and Amit so many programs to Karnataka, and also touring the entire state. Almost all the development has happened, including irrigation projects. On that basis, I am telling you that we are going to get absolute majority and we are going to form the government.
sir, in case there is not an absolute majority, in case you fall short of this,
That question does not arise. We are going to get absolute majority.
ಮೊದಲನೇ